Even though the temperature is rising, you don't have to compromise comfort or style. The lazy days of summer are almost here. Whether you want to admit it or not, you probably have at least one pair of flip-flops in your closet. Thankfully, the whole trend of wearing them everywhere has passed. That's so 2005. But if you're vacationing at the beach or just bumming around on the weekend, you definitely need a fancy pair of flip-flops to take your casual beach look up a notch. In this DIY tutorial to make your own beaded flip-flops is just the way to do it. View detailed instructions to see step-by-step instructions and photos. Tools and materials: 1 pair of flip-flops, 1 spool 1/2-inch ribbon, lots of beads in assorted sizes, tiny seashells, hot glue gun, needle and thread. Step 1. Place a small amount of hot glue on the outside of the flip-flop strap at the base and attach the end of your ribbon. Step 2. Continue wrapping your ribbon around the straps on your flip-flops until they are completely covered. Add small amounts of hot glue to hold your ribbon as you go and secure the end when you are finished with hot glue as well. Step 3. Take your ribbon again and wrap it around and back and forth across the center V of your flip-flops to fill in. Careful not to make your V too high, or if you really do want it to go higher, make sure you wrap it loosely, otherwise it will be difficult to get your foot into. Step 4. You're ready to start adding your beads. Add your beads one at a time, sewing them on. I put a small drop of hot glue under all of the large and medium-sized beads as well as the seashells before sewing them. I stitch through each bead 2 times before going on to the next bead. So whether you're just hanging out at home or on vacation at some exotic beach, oh I wish, you really need to elevate your footwear with some beads and seashells. These beaded flip-flops bring to mind thoughts of calm beach, dance, and some serious relaxing. I don't know about you, but I am so ready for summer.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.